act fast. A drop or a stop in water pressure could be a sign that something is amiss, and a small blockage is much easier to clear than a large one, so investigate without delay. Next, don't be so frantic that you forget the most obvious thing. Turn up the heat. If part of your plumbing is frozen, chances are other areas might be at risk. Turning up the heat will slow or stop that process, regardless of where it is happening in the building. Locate the frozen spot by turning faucets on and off along the plumbing line to find the affected area. If you get no water or just a trickle, you've probably found your problem. Another clear sign of a frozen section, a frosty pipe. If nothing is obvious, you can also invest in an infrared thermometer gun, which will run you anywhere from $30 to $100. You can take temperature readings along the line until you've located the issue. Then get to work on thawing it. One way to do this is by wrapping an electric heating pad around the pipe. Make sure the affected faucet is open to relieve the pressure on the system as it thaws. Depending on how you access the pipe, you could use a portable space heater or a hairdryer on it. Always start at the section nearest the faucet and work your way back, applying heat until full water pressure is returned. And don't play chicken. If you've gotten to the pipe too late, if it's already burst or things are frozen solid, call in a professional.